Hello everyone, today we got this smaller Breville and we are trying to replace the pump. It's a typical Ulka pump. The part number is EAP5 and it looks like it doesn't want to pump. Other components are working fine, so the power working fine, the one shot and the two shots Espresso are working fine. And what we're trying to do here is replacing the pump. The pump is really easy to replace. All what you have to do is connect those two lines, the blue line and the yellow line, and then you have the safety fuse on the left hand side, and the technician will demonstrate it right away. I can't remember what's the model number on this, but I can check and let you know. There is a couple of hoses we have to release. The bottom hose where the water flow meter needs to be disconnected, and then we have access to...
We need to remove it first.
Yeah. Try to disconnect it here.
It is with a clamp, plastic clamp.
Do you have a flathead? There you go. Now we can disconnect the pump. Always when you work on any appliances, make sure it's all disconnected from the electricity, just for your safety, so you don't short anything, especially those parts, the controllers and stuff. They either obsolete from Breville or they pretty expensive and hard to get.
We need it?
So first, no, you don't need this. Before doing that, I would recommend to put this back in, swivel it, the space is very limited, so it's really hard to put the hose back in. And as you can see, the technician's trying to put it in, but the angle is slightly different. Is it in? I don't think it's... Yeah, I think you're going a little bit crooked.
Can you hold this one?
Yeah. Be careful not to strip here.
Okay.
Let me try. So I usually use my hands. It's a little tricky because you see all the wires on the way. We might need a new part here because I think this one got stripped, but we'll see. I think I got it in. It's all in. It's a little challenging if you do it the first time. You want to take lots of pictures to make sure you don't mess up with the wires and you connect them correctly. So pump is connected from this side here and also from the bottom where the flow meter. Now we're going to test it for operation. Gonna wait until it heats up. When all the lights are on, that means that the coffee machine is ready for use. Yeah, I think it's working now. Yep. So the coffee machine is fixed. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care.